जब्बू असे आपले गेस्ट आलेले आहेत. स्टेजवर आमंत्रित करते विशालजी आणि राजूजी यांना. राजू शाह सर आणि विशाल सर सो आपल्या इथे आगमन झालेले आहे. निवृत्ती अण्णा बांदल, मोठ्याने टाळ्या वाजवा. टाळ्यांच्या गजरात आपण स्वागत करूयात निवृत्ती अण्णा बांदल. ते उंद्री गावाचे सरपंच आहेत, पुणे जिल्हा नियोजन समितीचे सदस्य आहेत आणि पुणे जिल्हा पुणे शहर राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस याचे उपाध्यक्ष आहेत. जोरदार टाळ्यांनी स्वागत करूयात. त्यांच्या बिझी स्केड्यूल मधून त्यांनी आपल्याला वेळ दिलेला आहे. सो मी विशालजींना विनंती करते की ते त्यांचं स्वागत करतील. टाळ्या वाजल्या पाहिजेत. सो ते उंद्री गावचे सरपंच आहेत आणि एवढ्या त्या व्यापातून त्यांनी आपल्यासाठी वेळ काढलेला आहे. टाळ्या वाजत राहिल्या पाहिजेत जोरदार. मी निवृत्ती अण्णांना रिक्वेस्ट करते की 2 शब्द बोलतील आणि आम्हाला जरा प्रोत्साहन करा.
आज ह्या ठिकाणी कुदळे कारचे मालक, खऱ्या अर्थाने ह्या ठिकाणी हा कार्यक्रम पाहून आनंद झाला की ज्याची लोकांना गरज आहे अशी गरज ओळखून ह्या ठिकाणी सायकल आणि बॅटरीवरल्या गाड्या त्यांनी ह्या ठिकाणी उभ्या केलेल्या आहेत. आताच्या काळामध्ये पेट्रोल टाकायला परवडत नाही. बॅटरीच्या गाड्या घेतल्यानं पर्यावरण बी वाचतं आणि सायकल घेतल्यामुळं त्या शरीरालाही त्याचा व्यायाम होतो. त्यांच्या कार्याबद्दल खऱ्या अर्थाने त्यांचे सगळे मित्रपरिवार असेल, त्यांचे सगळे इथं आलेले त्यांचे सगळे पाहुणे असतील, त्या सगळ्यांचं मी स्वागत करतो की अशा एकांत ठिकाणी उंडरीसारख्या गावामध्ये त्यांनी आज ह्या ठिकाणी येऊन हा कार्यक्रम केला. लहान लहान मुलांना ह्या ठिकाणी त्यांनी त्यांचा कार्यक्रम चालला आहे. त्यांच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये आमच्यामुळं एक 5 मिनिटाचा व्यत्यय आला. मी त्यांची दिलगिरी व्यक्त करतो आणि माझ्याकडून मी आत्ताच त्यांच्या सेल्समनला सांगितलं की एक बॅटरीवरली स्कूटर आणि दुसरे एक सायकल हे 2 वाहनं आमच्याकडे सकाळी पाठवून द्या. ते 2 आम्ही घेणार आहेत. आनंद वाटला. या ठिकाणी आमचे सहकारी मित्र संदीप शेठ बधे, खऱ्या अर्थाने त्यांनी मला हा निरोप दिला की उंडरीमध्ये कार्यक्रम आहे आणि तुम्हाला कल्पना आहे का नाही, पण आता कार्यक्रमच बाहेरून आला होता त्यामुळं ते माझ्याकडे निमंत्रण नव्हतं, पण बधे साहेबांनी निमंत्रण दिल्यामुळं या ठिकाणी मी येऊ शकलो. कुदळे साहेबांची आमची पहिल्यांदाच ओळख झाली. त्यांच्याबरोबर त्यांचे असणारे सगळे सहकारी, मग रोकारी असतील, त्यांचे अजून बाकीचे सगळे सहकारी असतील, मी सगळ्याचं स्वागत करतो. कार्यक्रमाची तुम्ही लोकांनी शोभा वाढवली, तुम्हाला सगळ्याला अभिनंदन करतो आणि या ठिकाणी माझं लांबलेलं 2 शब्द थांबवतो.
फारच छान. त्यांनी एक उदाहरण आपल्या समोर प्रस्तुत केलेलं आहे. लगेच त्यांनी सायकल आणि स्कूटर ऑर्डर केली आहे. अँड इट इज अ अमेझिंग थिंग. दिस रिअली नीड्स बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. अमेझिंग. सो फिट इंडिया स्टार्ट्स विथ द लीडर अँड वी शुड फॉलो हिम. ग्रेट. आता मी आमंत्रित करते श्री संदीप मारुती बधे यांना. सो संदीपजी माऊली प्रतिष्ठानचे संस्थापक अध्यक्ष आहेत आणि राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पार्टी पुणे शहर याचे सरचिटणीस आहेत. सो आपण त्यांचे जोरदार टाळ्यांच्या गजरात स्वागत करूयात. आणि विशालजी आणि राजूजी त्यांचे स्वागत करत आहेत, त्यांना मानचिन्ह देत आहेत. मी संदीपजी यांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी 2 शब्द बोलून आम्हाला प्रोत्साहित करावे.
आज या ठिकाणी कुदळे कारचे मालक नीरजजी कुदळे, त्यांचे वडील दीपकजी कुदळे यांनी या ठिकाणी आम्हाला बोलवलं आज जो सन्मान केला त्याबद्दल सर्वप्रथम मी आज त्यांचे मनापासून आभार मानतो. आपण बराच वेळ बसलेला आहात, जास्त वेळ न घेता जे आज कुदळे कारच्या वतीने सायकल्स व इलेक्ट्रिक बाईकचं या ठिकाणी इनॉग्रेशन केलेलं जात आहे, याला माझ्याकडनं शुभेच्छा. पर्यावरणाची गरज ओळखून महाराष्ट्र शासन असेल, केंद्र शासन असेल, अनेक ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रिक बाईक्स असतील, सायकल्स असेल, कार्स असतील, याचं मोठ्या प्रमाणात वापर व्हावा म्हणून शासन प्रयत्न करत आहे व त्याचा पुणे शहरामध्ये काही प्रमाणात का होईना कुदळे परिवाराने वाटा उचललेला आहे. तर त्यांचं मी मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो व येणाऱ्यांनी सर्वांनी याचा भविष्यातील विचार करून आपल्या येणाऱ्या तरुण पिढीला या बाईक्स घेण्याचा आग्रह करावा एवढी विनंती करून जास्त न बोलता थांबतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
अत्यंत सुंदर मेसेज दिलेला आहे जो आपण सगळ्यांनी अंमलात आणला पाहिजे. We have an eminent guest with us, Mr. Sagar Rukari, Vice President, Maharashtra Petrol Dealers Association. So I welcome Mr. Sagar Rukari. And Vishal ji and Raju ji उनका स्वागत करेंगे. Mr. Sagar Rukari, Vice President of Maharashtra Petrol Dealers Association. Come on, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Sagar sir, I would really be thankful to you that you found time to come here and motivate us by your presence. I would request you to just speak 2 words and inspire everyone.
All the sponsors, सगळ्यांचा आभार व्यक्त करतो. माझे मित्र नीरज कुदळे त्यांनी आज इथं EV बॅटरीच्या गाड्या लावल्या आहेत. तसा मी महाराष्ट्र पेट्रोल डीलर असोसिएशनचा उपाध्यक्ष, आमच्या पुण्याच्या सेक्रेटरी पण आहेत काव्यताई लडकत. तर बॅटरी हे फ्युचर आहे आणि सगळं वातावरण बघता सगळ्यांनीच त्या EV व्हेकलकडे वळलं पाहिजे. पण तो एक स्पॉन्सरशिपचा भाग झाला, आम्ही सगळे त्याचं स्वागत करतो. पण अत्यंत चांगला असं आजचा कार्यक्रम आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये मिसेस आणि मिस आणि माहिती लहान मुलांचं पण आहे. मी पुणे पेट्रोल डीलर असोसिएशन आणि आमच्या सर्व महाराष्ट्र पेट्रोल डीलर असोसिएशनतर्फे या कार्यक्रमाला शुभेच्छा देतो. धन्यवाद.
So kids, really sorry. तो अभी फिर से इंस्पायर हो गए तुम लोग स्टेज पे आने के लिए. वेरी गुड. सो वी कंटिन्यू विद द अमेजिंग किड्स. बहुत ही अच्छे से ड्रेसअप होके आए हैं. सो यू ऑल एंजॉय नाउ.
Show me the road and I'll be right there. I'll do anything to feel the wind in my head.
Check.
I go far as it takes and I
एक छोटीशी अनाउन्समेंट आहे. पार्किंग मध्ये एक गाडी आहे MH12SQ9024. ती Hyundai क्रेटा आहे. हां, थोडीशी गाडी 4 पाठीमागे अडकल्यात. कॅन यू प्लीज आस्क वॅले टू and other one is MH42BB5143. तो Morris Garage. Okay. Okay, MG आहे. Can you please ask somebody to please take care of it because पाठीमागच्या गाड्या ज्यांना निघायचं त्यांना क्लिअर नाही करतात. थँक्यू सो मच. Yes, and let's begin with the first round from Master Pune Pride 2021. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात.
where I begin. It's the sound of the waves, the breeze on my skin. Wish that I could be back in my homeland. Singing
Oh, and he slays it like a king. Well, very well done.
I go as far as it takes, and I won't even care. I'll sing the da da the day the day the day the nadan punjile the day ilali the tara re kottu venam pural venam purava venam check.
Namaste and good evening everyone. Present here, I am glad that I have had an opportunity to participate in Master and Missy Pune Pride 2021 fashion show. I am Arush Mirkute from Pune. I am 10 years old. My height is 4.7 inches. There is a saying, you always get to choose how you show up in the world. As my name Arush means the first ray of the sun, I choose to become model to shine bright in modeling industries with my pleasing personality, positive attitude and my confidence. Inspired by my mom since childhood, and I have participated in many tournaments for football. However, my hobby is football, which make me fit physically and increase my stamina. At the end, I would like to share what my parents have taught to me. You are braver than you believe, smarter than you seem, and stronger than you think. Thank you.
I won't even care. I'll sing the
Well, let's admit he is super adorable and super cute.
Good evening everyone. My name is Parth Rajput and I am belong from Mumbai Dadar. My age is 13 years old and I am in 8th grade. My school name is Sindhewadi Mumbai Public School. My hobbies are to play football, cricket and modeling. This is my first fashion show. Thank you.
All the way from Mumbai. Well, this boy is here to win everybody's heart.
It's been 10 years, but I spend each day thinking, what if I had gone? What if I stayed? When so many things are calling me away, I'll sing the da da the day the day the day the.
Check. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात. मिसेस पुणे प्राइड 2021 च्या कंटेस्टंट्स, त्या सगळ्या ब्युटिफुल लेडीज, मिस पुणे प्राइड 2021 च्या ऑल द सिंगल लेडीज आणि ह्या छोट्या मुलांसाठी विच इज मास्टर अँड मिसी पुणे प्राइड 2021 चे कंटेस्टंट्स, एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात. आवाज येत नाहीये टाळ्यांचा मला. टाळ्या वाजत राहायला हव्यात. आपल्या टाळ्या या त्यांच्यासाठी त्यांना खूप इन्स्पायर करतात, त्यामुळे टाळ्या कमी नाही पडायला पाहिजेत. अँड स्पेशली मुलांसाठी या ताबडतोड परफॉर्मन्सेस नंतर, या ताबडतोड प्रेझेंटेशन्स नंतर आपण जाणार आहोत नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ अवॉर्ड्सकडे. पण नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ अवॉर्ड्सकडे जायच्या आधी एक राउंड बाकी आहे आणि हा राउंड आहे द रॅविशिंग, द हँडसम हंक्स ऑफ मिस्टर पुणे प्राइड 2021. आणि ह्यांचा असणार आहे वेस्टर्न वेअर राउंड, मुलांचा असणार आहे मेन्स वेअरचा असणार आहे वेस्टर्न वेअर राउंड. आणि द मेन्स हॅव बीन डिझाइन्ड बाय मेनली वॉक. द डिझायनर फॉर मेन्स पुणे प्राइड 2021 is Menly Work. Can we have a big round of applause for the designer as well? Let's welcome our first contestant for Mr. Pune Pride 2021, the first round, which is the Western Wear round. एक से बढ़कर एक. Let's have some loud applause for these handsome boys, people. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या व्हायला हव्यात. एकापेक्षा एक मस्त आउटफिट्स. Okay, let's give a big round of applause to these two. Well, let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Pune Pride 2021 contestants, styled by Mendi Walk, Carry with Style, exclusive closet partner. And our makeup partner for today's event is Rupita Salon and Institute, and our partner, today's exclusive executive partner for this event is Nirvana Herbals. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए for all our sponsors and partners. So how's the Josh people? बिना खाए पिए आए हो क्या? बिना खाए पिए कौन डाइटिंग कर रहा है? Don't tell me lies. I know you all. Okay, so we are enjoying the evening. Did you see the kids? How stylish they were, how filmy they were. आपके लिए tough competition है, right? अक्षय, right? आगे का generation ready होके आ रहा है. So we have a lot of inspiration in the evening from the kids, from the youngsters who walked the ramp just now, from all the beautiful ladies, and also from the inspirational stories that we are hearing. So the SIPA Business Awards, we continue with it, and I call upon Mr. Neeraj Kudare to give the awards. Mr. Neeraj Kudare, please, I request you to be on stage. And I also call upon the heartthrob, Girish and Akshay, to be on the stage to give the awards. So please welcome Girish and Akshay. I'm really sorry to make you walk again and again, get up from the seat and, you know. Yeah. So the first award in this category is for, we are having some request here. I'll just catch up with them and come back. Okay. So yes, we continue with the awards. And the first award in this category goes to Krishna. I call upon Krishna on the stage to receive the award. So we have Krishna here. Yes, here he is. Congratulations to you, and we'll hear your inspirational story. So I request Girish to give the award to Krishna. Everyone, big round of applause. Congratulations, Krishna. So I request Krishna ji to just tell us your inspirational journey.
First of all, thank you J4E and SIPA for giving me this opportunity and recognized as a awardee for this event. It is a proud and honor for me to get recognized here. My name is Krishna Badone. I'm a founder of Indian Drivers. So we are creating employment opportunities for the drivers community. Till the date, we have created more than 12,000 drivers job across India. We had been operating since a decade now, and our vision is to expand India, and we feel proud that we could create that employment opportunity to the lower economic group of the India. And one more interesting part is that we are getting numerous opportunities in the same category, as well as we are providing free employment opportunities for this group. Thank you.
Nice, all the best.
Thank you.
This is really great, Krishna sir, because in turn you are taking care of a lot of people who travel commercially and taking care of their security. Thanks a lot. I call upon Veena. Our next awardee is Veena. So I call upon Veena to take the award on the stage. Veena, congratulations. Do we have Veena here? Anyone who will collect on behalf of Veena? So congratulations Veena, and you are? So Veena's brother is here to collect Veena's award. So all these men who support the women in family and become a big hand of support. So here you have to tell about Veena's journey.
Veena is very strong girl. He work very hard and get ती कष्ट त्या एक्सपोर्ट करतात, ब्लँकेट एक्सपोर्ट करतात, भरपूर कष्ट करतात. त्याच्यात कंटिन्यू त्यांचं अपडेट चालू असतं फॉरेनमध्ये. त्यांचा एक्सपोर्टचा व्यवसाय आहे. ब्लँकेट, चॉदर, ट्रॅव्हल, बेडशीट. हां, स्वतः फाउंडर येते एक्सपोर्टचे, स्वतः फाउंडर येते सुपर एक्सपोर्टचे. भरपूर आहे, स्वतःची फॅक्टरीचं सध्या प्रोसेसमध्ये. हां, इथून घेऊन गेल्या त्या, त्यांना सॅम्पल वगैरे दाखवून मग ऑर्डर वगैरे चालू केले.
So Veena exports chadars and all these things, and now she has reached such a level कि वो खुद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट अपना बनाने वाली है. सो अ गुड अमेजिंग पर्सन जिसने खुद से शुरू किया अपनी जर्नी एंड नाउ शी इज गोइंग टू बिकम अ बिग बिजनेस वुमन. सो बिग हैंड्स फॉर वीना एंड थैंक्स टू हर ब्रदर. ही इज सो प्राउड ऑफ हर. Our next award goes to Mr. Ramesh. Mr. Ramesh, congratulations. We request you to come on the stage to collect your award. Mr. Ramesh is our next winner. Yes, here he is. Come on, a big round of applause to Mr. Ramesh. Okay, so he is taking it on behalf of Ramesh. Congratulations to Mr. Ramesh. So, I request you to talk about Ramesh's journey.
Mr. Ramesh Kohli is not here, so on behalf of him, I am collecting his award and trophy. Mr. Ramesh Kohli is a chief life insurance advisor with LIC. He is #1 in India as a divisional officer. He handles a team of more than 200 agents across India. So he had some urgent meeting with the LIC, as you must be aware that LIC is coming with the IPO. So the chairman has called few development officers. So he's one of them. So he had for an urgent meeting, he is there. So on his behalf, I am collecting the award. Thank you, everyone.
Good to hear. LIC has been a very big part of each of us here. And Ramesh has done amazing work handling 200 LIC agents. That's amazing work. Congratulations, Ramesh. Our next award is going to Swanand Arunraj Kulkarni. I call upon stage Mr. Swanand to collect his award. Congratulations, Swanand. Mr. Swanand Arunraj Kulkarni, I request him to even tell us about his journey as to how he has been reached to such heights, how he inspires himself daily and works.
नमस्कार, मी स्वानंद कुलकर्णी मिरजवरनं इथं अवॉर्ड घेण्यासाठी आलेलो आहे आणि तसंच गेले 20 वर्ष झाले मी म्युच्युअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्युटर म्हणून काम करतोय. मिरजसारख्या शहरामध्ये गेले 20 वर्षापूर्वी जेव्हा म्युच्युअल फंड आणि याबद्दल लोकांना अवेअरनेस नव्हता, त्याच्याबद्दल लोकांना नॉर्मल ट्रॅडिशनल गुंतवणुकीपेक्षा म्युच्युअल फंड आणि याच्यातनं अवेअरनेस करून त्यांचं वेल्थ क्रिएशन करायचं काम करत आहे. नमस्कार.
Great work in financial sector, and that too very early he started with mutual funds. That is great. Our next award goes to Shailesh Bhor. Mr. Shailesh, I call you on the stage to receive the award. Congratulations, Mr. Shailesh. He is here. यार तालियां बजाओ फटाफट. Congratulations, Mr. Shailesh. I request Girish sir to give upon the awards. Congratulations, Mr. Shailesh. So 2 words of inspiration.
Yeah, nothing. I am just another guy who wants to give back to the society. So I landed here back from US in the year 2020, just before the COVID hit. And then I always wanted to give back to the society. That's where I started my foundation called the Squad of Youth Foundation. And yeah, we are doing a lot of work in healthcare, environment, clean water. Recently, we installed around 15 RO filters across the police stations in PCMC area. So yeah, that's what I'm working. And majorly, I focus in remote areas where I want to do a upskilling of our underprivileged children. That's it. And yeah, one of the things why I'm here is just looking for CSR partners, because funding is a very important thing for me. That's it. Thank you guys and enjoy the evening.
Good, very humble answer and very great work. Our next awardee is Mr. Vishal Chende. I call upon stage Mr. Vishal Chende to collect his award. Congratulations, Mr. Vishal. A big round of applause for Vishal. Congratulations, Vishal, and your mom. So he's here with his mom. A big round of applause for her. A very proud moment for mother to receive award for her son. That's great. Great moment. Congratulations. आणि काकू तुम्ही बोला 2 शब्द. तुम्हाला कसं वाटतंय?
नमस्कार सगळ्यांना. नमस्कार. आणि प्रीती मॅडम आणि कुदळे सरांना तर खूपच धन्यवाद. त्यांच्यामुळे मी आज इथे आलेली आहे आणि मुलाला अवॉर्ड मिळालेला आहे. खूप खूप छान वाटतंय. धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार, मी विशाल शेंडे आणि पुण्यामध्ये माझे 16 स्टुडिओ आहेत स्पिनिंगचे. मी इंडोर सायकलिंग इन्स्ट्रक्टर आहे मी पुण्यामध्ये. आणि आत्ता पुण्यात 16 आणि कोल्हापूरला दोन स्टुडिओ चालू केलेत. आणि ते जे ट्रेनिंग आहे ते पूर्ण हार्ट रेटचं ट्रेनिंग आहे ते. आणि आत्तापर्यंत पुण्यात गेले 14 वर्षामध्ये मी जवळजवळ 5000 लोकांना ट्रेन केलं आत्तापर्यंत. आणि प्रीती मॅम नीरज सर यांच्यामुळेच इथपर्यंत आता पोहोचलो आहे. त्याकरता धन्यवाद.
सो यू आर मेकिंग पीपल फिट. चांगलं काम आहे. Very nice. Very good. That is really great. New idea, I guess I've heard. Very nice. Congratulations, Vishal. I call upon the next awardee, Bhushan Shah. Congratulations, Bhushan. I call upon Bhushan Shah on the stage to collect his award. Yes, Bhushan. Will anyone collect on behalf of Bhushan? Anyone who would like to collect award for Bhushan? I call upon stage Swapnil Gauri, our next awardee, the winner, Swapnil Gauri. Congratulations, Swapnil. I call you on the stage to collect your award. So here Swapnil is there. Everyone, big round of applause for Swapnil. Congratulations, Swapnil. Swapnil, we would like to hear. मराठीमध्ये ते म्हणजे बाकीच्यांना मोटिवेशन मिळतं. तुमचं
ॲक्च्युली मी थोडं स्वप्नील सरांबद्दल बोलतो. ते फार कमी बोलतात पण त्यांनी ह्या कोविड काळामध्ये त्यांचं हॉस्पिटल आहे, त्यांचं फॅमिली रन, आणि खूप मदत केली. जेव्हा लोकांना रेमडेसिवीरची फार गरज होती, आज भरपूर लोकांचे आयुष्य वाचवले. मी पहाटे 3 वाजता, आमचे CNचा भाऊ सिरियस होता, पहाटे 3 वाजता त्यांना फोन केला आणि त्यांनी लगेच मला मदत केली. सो असं खूप म्हणजे त्यांचं मोठं काम आहे. त्यांची शाळा आहे बोसरीमध्ये, त्यांची आई नगरसेविका आहे आणि खूप भरपूर समाजकार्य करतात. सो अभिनंदन स्वप्नीलजी. जस्ट वॉचिंग यू. थँक्यू.
फार छान. तुम्ही तुमच्या आईकडनं इन्स्पिरेशन घेऊन समाजकार्य करताय आणि आय गेस निरंतर चालू आहे ते, दिवस रात्र न बघता. व्हेरी गुड. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स अँड कीप इट अप. व्हेरी नाईस. The next winner in this category is Abhishek Singh. I call upon stage Abhishek Singh to collect his award. Abhishek Singh. Congratulations, Abhishek. Do we have Abhishek here? Oh, here he is. Great. Congratulations to you. Congratulations, Abhishek. Abhishek, we would like to hear about your journey.
Hello everyone. I am representing a company called Hero Cycles, which is the largest manufacturer of bicycles in India. And happy to announce that with ACE Kudle Group, we have opened the biggest cycle showroom of India in Pune. So all of you are invited to visit the showroom and get your cycles. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Hero Cycles have been a companion for many people as kids. So it is really great. And I have seen that a lot of awards that we are giving here or people are getting is by working in health and fitness area. So I guess it is a post-COVID change I am seeing here. Thanks to Akshay sir, Girish sir, and Neeraj sir for giving all the awards. And we have one special thing here. So we have Akshay's fan. We want the music also, please. The RAM music should go on. Music? Yeah? So we have Bhavika. She is an artist. And look what she has made. And Akshay is wearing the same coat. But listen, Akshay is wearing the same coat. How is that? The coincidence. How is it? मतलब पहले से कुछ
क्या होता है फैन के दिल में जगह बनानी पड़ती है फिर ये आ जाता है.
This is superb, na? This is superb. So she wants to walk with him and give him this. So everyone, big hands. Look at the creativity. Look at the painting. Big hands, everyone. So this is a dream come true for Bhavika. She's walking the ramp with her hero and gifting him such a wonderful creative thing which she has made by her own hand. Superb. And I noticed it, by the way. Okay, so thank you, Bhavika. It's very nice. And thank you, Girish, Akshay, and Kudai, sir. So we'll continue with the program. I call upon my friend. Thank you so much. I call upon my friend so that we continue the fashion show, the beauty celebration, and the grooming that has been done by Payal ma'am and Sahil sir. We are going to again see it here. Take it over.
Thank you so much. Well, awards are nothing but recognition. Everybody wants recognition. Recognitions themselves are awards, rewards, and it feels good, it feels inspiring, you feel motivated. And I think to be a successful person, the most important thing one requires is to be motivated. Motivation from family, motivation from friends, motivation from co-workers, colleagues, and most importantly, motivation from the society. Today, all these award winners are getting motivated in some or the other way by SIPA. So let's go ahead and give a big round of applause for all the business award winners for today. Can we have a big round of applause, please? It takes a very big deal to achieve what you people have, and that is the only reason you truly and sincerely deserve this award. Well, moving on to the next round. The next round is going to be the runway walk. We have our contestants here. And we will be starting with the runway walk. But before we start with the runway walk, I would like to know, कसं वाटतं सगळ्यांना कसा शो झालाय आतापर्यंतचा? Is everybody enjoying? Are you all enjoying? Are you all having a good time? Great, I'm very happy to hear that. And I hope sincerely that next year it would be bigger and more better. And let's rock the runway round with this. Can we have the contestants ready, please?
Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right
If your man not tell you the things, then baby, then me they are for you. Right now you have my attention, my girl. If I know music, then I do. Girl, come wind up your body and whisper in my ears later what you want to do. Later on, me need you to come assist me. Help me sweat out my flow. Can your skin clean? Can you smell nice? You smile so beautiful. You are my child. Baby, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. Baby, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. Me no know if you.
We are going to be having the question answer round for the contestants right now. So I'll be handing over the mic to the judges.
महिमा, आप टीवी देखते हो ना? कार्टून देखते हो? कौन सा कार्टून देखते हो? शिनचैन। मुझे ये आपसे पूछना है, आपका फेवरेट कार्टून कौन सा है? आप शिनचैन ही है? शिनचैन में क्या देखते हो? शिनचैन के सिस्टर का नाम क्या है? हिमावारी। और उसके डॉगी का नाम क्या है? शीरो। ओके, थैंक यू।
Bubble for a cause, bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you a bubble pan, you me eye pass, girl, you make me know say guns if a falls. Girl, your lips them minty like hearts. Me bring you gift like a Santa Claus. Girl, your waistline and got show me no pass. My song a play and a low rise. Girl, your skin clean, girl, you smell nice. You smile so beautiful. You are my child, perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect.
What's your name?
Arohi.
Arohi, I loved your outfit. You're looking so nice.
Thank you.
Arohi, you like pets?
Yes.
Which is your favorite pet?
Dog.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
If like a Santa Claus, girl, you pass my song a play and a low rise. Girl, your skin clean, girl, you smell nice. You smile so beautiful. You are my choice, baby. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you what me tell you right now. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. If your man not tell you the things, then baby, then me they are for you. Right now you have my attention, my girl. If I know music, then I do. Girl, come wind up your body.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shrisha.
Okay. Shisha, just tell me what is your favorite movie and why? Which movie you like?
Frozen.
Frozen.
Yes.
Cartoon movie.
Yes.
Why you like it? What specific thing you like in that, in particular that movie?
I like Elsa.
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 Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
And whisper in my ears later what you want to do. Later on me need you to help me sweat out my flow. Can your skin clean? Can you smell nice? You smile so beautiful. You are my child, baby. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect, baby. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect.
Hi. What's your name?
My name is Zanasa.
Oh, lovely. What's the meaning of your name? You know what's the meaning?
No.
Okay. Okay. Do you watch movies?
Yes.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie.
Yeah. Just give a name, which one you like.
Peter Rabbit.
Okay, thank you.
Can you smell nice? You smile so beautiful. You are my child,
Ishita.
Ishita. So, how old are you? How old are you?
11.
11. So, my question to you is, if you could meet someone famous, who would you choose and why?
I will choose BTS and because I love them.
Okay, and someone from India?
From India, I will choose.
There is no one famous in India?
There are Priyanka Chopra.
Why?
She's cute, nice.
Okay, so if you meet her, what will you discuss with her?
I will take some pics and that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right now. You're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. My girl, you are champion, bubble like a bubble for a cause, bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you are bubble point, you me die pass, girl, like you make me know, sir. Runs if a fans, all your lips them minty like hearts. They bring your gift like a Santa Claus. Girl, the waistline now got you in a pass, my son a play and a Lawrence. Yeah, your skin clean, yeah, your smell.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Veer Dhawan.
Veer Dhawan. What's the meaning of Veer Dhawan? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Acha, just tell me what is your favorite subject in school and why?
My favorite subject is science
Why?
because it is very easy and we can get very information in that.
Great. Thank you.
You are my child, baby, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right now. You're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. My girl, you are champion, bubble like a bubble for a cause, bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you are bubble point, you me die pass, girl, like you make me know, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Arush.
Arush, I like your hair.
Thank you.
Okay, in your introduction, you told that you like football.
Yes.
So, who's your favorite football player?
Messi.
Why do you like him for?
Because he play very nice.
Thank you. So, you
You're perfect to me, yeah, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect. Baby, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right now. You're perfect, you're perfect, you're perfect to me. My girl, you are champion, bubble like a bubble for a cause, bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you are bubble point, you me die pass, girl, like you make me know, sir. Runs if a falls, all your lips them minty like hearts. They bring your gift like a Santa Claus. Girl, the waistline now got you in a pass, my son a play and a Lawrence. Yeah, your skin clean, yeah, you smell nice.
What is your name?
My name is Parth Rajput.
Parth. So my question to you is, what do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a model.
Anything else?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Play and a Lawrence. Yeah, your skin clean, yeah, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Yeah, your skin clean, yeah, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Perfect. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. My girl, you a champion, bubble like a bubble for a cause, bubble for a cause, girl, bubble for a cause. When you a bubble point, you me eye pass, girl, like you make me know, sir. Runs if a falls, girl, your lips them minty like hearts. They bring your gift like a Santa Claus. Girl, your waistline now got you in a pass, my son a play and a Lawrence. Girl, your skin clean, girl, Girl, you smell nice. Your smile so beautiful. You are my choice. Baby, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. Yeah, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. Me no know if your boyfriend not tell you, but me I tell you right now. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect to me. If your man not tell you the things, then baby, then me they are for you. Right now you have my attention, my girl. If I know music, then I do. Girl, come wind up your body and whisper in my ears later when you want to do. Later on, me need you to come assist me. Help me sweat out my flow. Can you?
Just for the fashion runway, please note they are not the contestants. Lovely, lovely, and very pretty girls. Well, walking with such a ease and confidence. Well, they are here to slay the stage. Man, what a confidence. New York girl. Yes, another one and pretty pink. She is no less than a fashionista. Costumes for these kids have been designed by Srishti Rohira from the Man Studio. Yes, this one in a fabulous and ravishing sari. Well, go for the goal, lady. And now the princesses, Elsa's in pretty pastel blues. Well, these girls are not less than any princesses, mind you. Well, she is straight out of a Disney movie. Let's give a big round of applause for these beautiful girls. एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होऊन जाऊ देत. या सुंदर सुंदर छोट्याशा मुलींसाठी ज्यांनी इतक्या कॉन्फिडेंटली या स्टेजवर रॅम्प वॉक केलाय.
What a wonderful walk. किस किस को वॉक करने की इच्छा हो रही है अभी स्टेज पे? आना है किसी को? Anyone wants to take the challenge? अच्छा कुछ हाथ रेज होते हुए दिख रहे हैं मुझे. Definitely I'll keep a note. Pink dress over there, right? Good, good, very nice. I'll call you later. We have a round. Just wait for a minute. Take a deep breath. Relax. Okay? We call upon stage Seema Tanwar. and Vishal ji. Seema Tanwar ko we are going to give an award to Seema. Thanks for being here, Seema. Who else knows the work that you do? She is doing amazing work for women's health. So the women's in the slum areas in Kharadi, she has opened a 1 rupee clinic for them. So they just are tested by taking only 1 rupee, and even the supplements and advice and everything is given in that 1 rupee only. So she is uplifting their health. So that is really a great work, a demand of time, because we all know how malnourishment and women health is an issue in India. So she is the one who is dealing with it in the forefront. So we are giving award to Seema Tanwar for this great work, and Vishal ji will be giving her the award. I call upon stage Mr. Akshay and Mr. Girish. Please, I would request you to take the efforts again. Thank you, sir. We have an amazing personality, an eminent guest here who has been a great support for all the SEPA events. Mr. Kamlesh Magar is amongst us. I call upon Mr. Kamlesh Magar on the stage. So here he is, a big round of applause. He has been supporting a lot of things going around this area. Congratulations, Seema. And we will hear 2 words from Seema about her work.
I think Amruta has already briefed so much about the work, and it's not just Seema's work, it's Women's Club Kharari put together. It's a team effort. It's everybody who's there in Women's Club Kharari. And we are recently coming up with a power walk for women for the cause of the Rupee 1 clinic, to raise funds for that. And none other than Amruta herself is supporting that. She is choreographing the whole walk and spending so much time with all the participants. So yes, Rupee 1 Clinic is one of our initiatives, but there is so much more that the whole team does. And everything is mentioned on our Facebook and website, and I request everybody to go through it. And thank you so much, Sahil, especially for this honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Seema, and I hope we'll get a lot of support from here also. Yeah. I request Mr. Kamlesh Magar to give us some 2 words of inspiration. So yes, he is just giving us good luck, and we'll have a lot of such events coming up. Thanks to Mr. Kamlesh Magar for all the support he has been providing always. Everyone give a big round of applause, because ये जो support रहता है, इसके बिना ये सारे बड़े programs नहीं हो पाते हैं. Sahil would agree more with me. You would like to say something about, sir?
दादासाठी मी एवढंच बोलेल की ज्यावेळेस पण मला काही गरज लागते तर दिस मॅन ऑलवेज स्टँड्स फॉर मी अँड रिअली बिग हँड फॉर हिम बिकॉज he is a great support for SEPA, for our Jefuri family, everyone. He's going to help us, and he always help, and he does a lot of social activities and help a lot of artists or help a lot of people. So thank you, Dada, for being always with us. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Sahil. I'll just cross over. We have our next award category here, and I have the award winners' names. So the winner is Dharmishta and Manish Saparia. Dharmishta we have here. Congratulations, Dharmishta, for all the work that you have been putting in. Dharmishta and Manish Saparia. I would also call upon stage Mr. Neeraj Kudare. Please, sir. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, thank you, Kamlesh Magar, sir. Congratulations to Sir Dharmishta ma'am and Manish, sir. So we have all the eminent personalities here. Congratulations, ma'am. We would like to hear your story.
We both can share, right? Yes. Jai Gurudev. I don't know how to introduce myself. I am one of the parents in the school where my kids are studying and where we come from. The school is called Rishi Gurukulam, Katarkhadak, Pune. It's a school run by our director Manoj Lekhiji, and with the grace of our Guruji Rishi Prabhakarji, who has designed the program Siddha Samadhi Yoga, the Guruji has started sown the seed of this school with a vision to create the world leaders. And we employ various techniques of inward Vidya and the outward Vidya with all the seven methods of education which encompasses right from physical, mental, and intellectual. And I think Dharmishta is more aware of those things because she teaches in the school. So one of the things that I want to share with you is that this school is not only, I mean, it's not about kids, it's about parents. As a parent, I have seen myself grown in that school more than what my kids have learned about studying and etc. etc. I have seen myself grown inward by doing all the practices of meditation, pranayama, sadhana, and looking into the inward journey that we generally look for a special time for. The Gurukulam, Rishi Gurukulam provides us parents who are very fortunate to stay in the school with the kids and grow with them. So with that, I just want to thank the organizations and would love to invite all of you to visit the school. And Dharmishta, over to you.
Yes, as he rightly said, it's just a journey wherein we grow along with our children. So I would like to invite each one of you sitting here, standing here, to come and do really visit our Gurukulam once. So yeah, surely welcome.
Just last one thing, Vishalji also is very well associated with Manoj Lekhiji. I would like to share, I would request him to share a few words.
Okay, I've been to that school many times. The name of the place is Katarkhadak, and that is a Gurukulam school. And Manoj Lekhiji is my mentor, where they have to move. So I have that mentor. He is giving us that guidance, what we have to do and what we should not do. So it is a good place. You must visit. And if you love nature, you will love that place. Thank you so much.
So you've come from Katarkhadak? Or you stay in Pune? I am like since 7 years I am a sadhak. So we all are meeting. It's amazing. I'll talk to you after the... Really, I felt amazing. Great. The moment you said Jai Gurudev, it was like... Okay. So thanks everyone and congratulations to both of you. You're really doing a good work. Like in the times of Corona, we must have really found out, jab pura lockdown laga hua tha, that how a person can't find happiness from outside. He just has to turn inwards. And that is what is the outcome of the sadhana that has been taught us by our ancestors and which is being taught in SSY also. So the next category in this award, we have Ameya Bahame. So the next award goes to Ameya Bahame. Congratulations, Ameya. So the name is Ameya Brahme. Congratulations, Ameya. Yeah, here he is. A big round of applause. It is almost 10, तो सबकी battery down हो गई है क्या? Come on, everyone, big hand. Congratulations, Ameya Brahme. And we would like to hear you.
गुड इव्हनिंग. माझं नाव अमेय ब्रह्मे. 2 शब्द बोलतो. यो बाईक्स या कंपनीमध्ये मी रिजनल हेड आहे. महाराष्ट्र आणि गोवा सांभाळतो. सो पुण्यामध्ये एस कुदळे आमचे ऑथोराइज डिस्ट्रीब्युटर आहेत जे मिरॅकल, ॲम्पियर आणि यो तिन्ही कंपन्यांचं काम करतात. तर पहिले पुण्यामध्ये 400च्या मागं एक इलेक्ट्रिक गाडी विकली जायची, पण वाढत्या पेट्रोल रेटमुळे किंवा अवेअरनेसमध्ये ते 100च्या मागं 4 गाड्या विकल्या जातात. आणि सगळ्या गाड्या इथं ठेवलेल्या आहेत. तर सगळ्यांनी गाड्या बघा, चालवून बघा आणि पोल्युशन मुक्त करायला पूर्ण भारताला मदत करा. एस कुदळ्यांचं शोरूम रास्तापेठेमध्ये आहे. पुण्यात त्यांचे 34 आउटलेट आहेत. तर तुम्ही कुठेही जाऊन सेवा उपभोगू शकता. धन्यवाद.
Good message and good work. Everything related to fitness and good environment handling, I really love that. The next award goes to Tejasri Kalekar. Tejasri Kalekar is our next awardee. Tejasri ma'am, congratulations. Yes, here we have Tejasri. Come on everyone, a big hand. Congratulations, Tejasri. So are you a contestant or award winner? Congratulations to you at such an early age. I've heard some part of her story. I know what willpower and strength she has shown, but we would like to hear it from Tejasri.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I am here because of one person who is there, and yeah, because of my parents. They are, I would say, my father is my support. I started my career with before graduation. I joined bank. I was an off-roll employee, and then I completed my MBA from Symbiosis, and then I became on-roll employee. And today I am a senior manager, operations head. Apart from that, you must be knowing I'm a contestant in this region. For that, I would really thankful for Neetu Jha. I want to call her on stage if I'm allowed to.
Yes, Neetu is my friend. Neetu, lovely guy.
Neetu Jha.
Where did Neetu go?
I guess she's not there. Okay, no worries. I just want to add that she was behind me since last 3-4 years to take a part of such type of pageant. But due to my work pattern, I couldn't. But this time she said, you will have to. And because of this, because of her inspiration, I am participating in this pageant. So thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Just be strong as you are and as you were always. Thank you everyone for giving away the awards, and they have really felt special by getting the awards from you all. Great and powerful people. Thank you. Thank you so much.